Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do something interesting, including paper and a pair of scissors. It's Doodle Kaboodle. Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Kaboodle. That's right, today I'll be showing you how to do something interesting. Today I will be showing you how to make a noise maker just by using a piece of paper and a pair of scissors. First of all you need is to cut out like a small square out of the paper. Just a small square, that's all you need. You don't need this big piece of paper, all you need is a small square. Like that. All you need is that. Then we are going to cut it, we're going to fold it even in half, like that. So you've got that. Then we're going to fold the top half down a bit. And then turn it over. Do the same on the other side. Fold the folds down. Like that. Then we're going to cut small triangles out of the side. That's creased. Like that. Do the same on the side. And once you've done that, and you've got triangles in the middle where it's folded and it's folded, the flaps are folded on both sides, it's time to try it out. Yeah, after you finish you have something that looks like that. And all you have to do is put your mouth towards the two folds here and blow into it. There we go. How cool is that? I won't tell anymore because there's probably a dog somewhere going, what's our noise? Where's our noise come from? Yeah, how cool is that? You know, it's fun for something so simple just by using a piece of paper and a pair of scissors. It's worth making really, just to annoy people, you know? Yeah, so if you try it yourself, let me know how it goes. Send in a comment, subscribe and all the rest. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. That came out well. Anyway, I shall see you soon. Take care. Goodbye everyone.